Okay, so something that I need to get onto in terms of de-policifying the car is in the glove box here. I don't know what they had installed, but they have some little metal bracket thing which I can take out no problem. But there's also a big gaping hole in the back of the glove box, and actually in the ceiling top of the glove box, whatever you want to call it. I'm not so bothered about that one because things aren't likely to really go up there very often, but things are likely to just roll straight into that space back there. So I can't really seem to find, it looks like it's got a trim piece that should fit there, but I'm not really seeing them on eBay or anything like that. So, and I don't want to buy a whole new glove box just to get a little bit of trim for the back. So I'm going to make one myself out of a bit of hard wearing acoustic carpet, the kind of stuff you put around amps, an old iPad case which is made of plastic that I'm gonna cut and melt into the right shape, and I got a glue gun over there somewhere, I think. There we go. And there we go. It's a bit of Blue Peter for us today. So currently I've got this piece of plastic which is bent to fit the shape, and it's going to go like that. There's a little slot for it to just sit into there, and I don't know if you can see down here, just cutting a couple of slots for it to go into those two holes. That's what I'm just starting to cut here. So I've got two tabs and one bent a little bit. Oops, a bit shaky. And there we have it fitting, so it's not going to move now. It's pressed into those two little holes there and pressed into that hole there. Now all I need to do is glue some carpet to it, and it should blend in and not look too out of place, and then get this little bracket taken out. And I'm not going to worry too much about the hole at the top really for now. At least this will stop things sliding down behind the dash. Job done. Well, nearly job done. Okay, so all we're going to do now is cut a bit of this acoustic carpet to fit over this, and then glue it on with the glue gun. Easy peasy. Right, so let's try putting it in. Here's our piece. Here's our hole. now it's in. Just got to remove this little bracket. Job's a good one. Looks like it should always been there. Not as if it's massively complicated, but in case you want to get under this panel, underneath here there's just 2 screws, one in there and one over there. Pull them out and there's just a couple of clips it'll just pull down, and it reveals a bit of its history and crazy wiring. There's a massive relay or something connected to really big power cables there. Things not connected to stuff. There's a cable over here that says radio on it. I don't know, this looks like power cable to me because it's big and chunky. Maybe I'll be able to use that for something if I need a power feed. Perhaps it's a switched power. Anyway, blah blah blah. Reason I'm under here is just to get these 2 screws out. These 2 are attached to the underside of that metal bracket. So I'm just going to whip them out. And that's the job done for today. I'm not going to really lose too much sleep over what all this crazy loose wiring's about. Okay, so the panel's back in. Glove box open up. There's our panel fixed at the back there. Proper job.